You think looking rich means having a massive logo, the loudest hoodie, the flashiest shoes, and the most expensive brand names you can find. It's not. The loudest person in the room is usually the one with the least to say. And the loudest outfit in the room is usually a mask hiding a lack of real identity. If you're a walking billboard for a multi-billion-dollar corporation, you aren't stylish, you're a customer. It's time to switch to quiet luxury. Number 1. The psychology of the loud logo. Why do you want the logo? Because you want people to know how much you spend. You're looking for instant validation from strangers. But here's the secret the 1% knows. Money screams, but wealth doesn't. High value men don't need a brand to tell the world they are successful. Their presence does that for them. When you wear a massive logo, you are telling the world, I need this brand to make me look important. When you wear a high quality blank silhouette, you are telling the world, I am the important one here. The clothes are just a frame. Many people dress in crazy colors, bright reds, neon greens, and graphic prints that date themselves in 3 months. Quiet luxury is built on neutrals. The core 5, black, white, navy, olive, and sand or stone. But why? They don't go out of style. And most importantly, they create a cohesive image. When you dress in neutrals, you look organized, you look intentional. You look like a man who has a mission, not a kid who's changing a drop. Number 3, the fit rule. This is where most guys fail. You can spend $500 on a designer t-shirt, but if your shoulder seams are hanging down your arms and the neck is stretched out, you look like a slob. A $15 heavyweight cotton tee that fits your frame perfectly will beat a sagging designer shirt every single time. Look, these are the golden rules of fit. The seam must sit exactly where your arms meet your shoulder. 1 inch off and you look small. The sleeve should hit in the middle of your bicep. If it's too long, your arms look small. The taper. Your clothes should follow the lines of your body. Not skin tight, but not a 10. Quiet luxury is the art of looking like every piece you own was custom made for your DNA. Number 4, fabric over frame. Stop looking at the tag on the neck. Start looking at the tag on the side seam. What is it made of? If it's 100% polyester or cheap, thin, fast fashion cotton, it will look like trash after 2 washes. Quiet luxury is about texture. Wear heavyweight cotton, linen in the summer, and wool and cashmere in the winter. Natural fibers drop better on the body. They hold their shape. They look expensive because they have the weight and substance. One high quality hoodie is worth the 10 cheap ones that lose their shape in a week. Number 5. The one-piece accessory rule. Most teens over-accessorize. 5 rings, 3 chains, and a hype watch that's way too big for their wrist. It's cluttered, it's desperate. Quiet luxury is not that. 1 clean stainless steel watch, 1 simple thin silver or gold chain, maybe 1 or 2 rings, that's it. It's the whisper that people notice. It shows you have the discipline to be subtle. It shows you don't need to clink when you walk to be noticed. Number 6. The man under the clothes. Here's the actual truth you won't hear on fashion channels. You cannot wear quiet luxury if your habits are loud and messy. Quiet luxury is the total package. It's having a clean, sharp haircut, the taper or buzz cut to keep it maintained. It's having clear skin because you actually drink water and wash your face. And it's having upright posture that says you're in control. If you're slouching in a $2,000 suit, you still look like a loser. And if you're standing tall in a $20 blank tee, you look like a king. Luxury isn't what you buy, it's what you are. Look, trends are designed to make you spend money to fit in. Quiet luxury is designed to make you stand out by being timeless. Stop being a billboard for someone else's success. Start being the face of your own. Ditch the logos, fix the fit, master the man. So, are you ready to stop shouting for attention? The transition to the 1% starts with what you put on your back today.